Hello, Skye.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm very good, actually.
What are we going to do?
We're going to go skydiving and I'm going to have the most awesome time. I'm so
You will.
excited.
I bet you will. Have a good jump.
I will.
See you up there.
No worries.
I see you're frowning. It's like looking
I've been forced to go for a... No, I lie. I haven't been forced. I'm going for a skydive and it's not my first one.
Isn't it?
I think we were trying to refuse using the F word.
Oh, she's trying to get out of these.
So you've been up on a few loads now. How are you feeling about you being the one to exit the plane?
Oh.
Get your goggles.
Oh, yes. No worries.
Yep. Bit nervous?
No, actually, I just, you know, it's a good working plane and it's always good to stay in one.
That's all right. New experience.
Yep. So I know what everyone else is going to be doing when I'm flying the plane. So.
Hell yeah. All right. Have a good job and we'll see you up there.
You used to get it in your fishnets, now you only get it in your night dress. Discarded all the naughty nights for niceness, landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole, nothing seems to pity is the past though. A Bloody Mary's like an El Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal? Oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. But as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them all. Flicking through a little book of sentences. Pencil, oh, the boys are slag. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. But as daft as they seem, as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them
Skye, 6,000 feet above the ground now, just over halfway. How are you feeling?
I'm so pumped. I just want to get there now.
Fantastic, fantastic. So what happens when you hang around a drop zone? What do you think?
Yeah, cool.
What about you, mate?
falling about. You took a left off last life lane, just sounding it out. But you're not coming back again. Falling about. You took a left off last life lane. You were just sounding it out. But you're not coming back again. You used to get it.
Well done.
Oh, that was awesome. That was amazing.
Hopefully we get back.
Oh dear, it's going to be a long walk. Oh God.
Oh, that way.
Bet he didn't listen.
Okay. Good. Well done.
Oh, that was the mate. That was the mate. I'm going to be on the biggest side.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up, then stare at the fan. Turn the TV on, throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Nah, I'll be lounging on the couch, just chilling in my snuggie. Click to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the freaking man. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P90X, meet a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great."
Oh my God, this is great.
Yeah, I might mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. But sorry, Pops, you'll just have to.
Okay.
Hey, Max, I got this. Face, face, face.
Okay.
Look at the sun behind you.
Look in the sun that we've got in the face.
Oh God.
Big smile. Okay, well done.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Oh,
Woo-hoo. Thank you, Adelaide Tandem Skydiving.
awesome.
Okay, I'll put sun in back. Stay here.
Yeah.
Look to this.
Nothing at all. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Tomorrow I'll wake up, do some P90X, meet a really nice girl, have some really nice sex, and she's gonna scream out, "This is great."
Oh my God, this is great.
Yeah, I might mess around and get my college degree. I bet my old man will be so proud of me. But sorry, Pops, you'll just have to wait. Oh, yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. No, I ain't gonna comb my hair, 'cause I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no. I'll just strut in my birthday suit and let everything hang loose. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, today I don't feel like doing anything.
Bear Grylls here, ladies and gentlemen. I seem to be lost in the hostile territory that's known as Lower Light. Thankfully though, we've got a pretty girl here, crazy Czechoslovakian guy. I think we'll be okay.
And then I did it, I just fucking sunk out.
We're saved. We're saved.
Saved by the van.